Hey guys, welcome to A Little Magic Every Day with Spider. And today we're going to be making some confidence cards. And so this is kind of like an oracle deck that you can make yourself. And when you're done, it's going to have an affirmation on the front. And then on the back you can do stickers, or you can draw a design, whatever you want to do. But these are really easy to make, and then you can just use them like an oracle deck. You can draw one every day or however you want to do it. So what you will need is cardstock. Now I have black. You can use whatever color you want to. White's fine. You can use thicker than what I have here. I started to get some that was probably about twice as thick as this, maybe even 3 times as thick. But it was twice as expensive too. So I went with the thinner cardstock. Like I said, whatever color you want. You'll need a pencil for drawing your lines, unless you have like just perfect handwriting without lines. I'm using a paper cutter. It makes it easier. You can use scissors, but if you want really nice sharp lines, paper cutter is awesome. Some really nice markers or gel pens. I got these gel pens because it has 7 colors, and so I've got red for affirmations to do with root chakra, copper, gold, green, blue, purple, and silver to go with the different chakras. And you'll need affirmations. I got mine out of this book, but you can find them online. If you go on Pinterest and put in chakra affirmations, you're gonna find dozens. And then if you want, just excuse me, I have hiccups again. If you want just some nice stickers, these are pretty easy to make, so let's get started. Alright, so if your paper is 8.5 by 11, which it probably is, the first cut you want to do is at 5.5, unless you have a really larger paper cutter than what I have. So now we got 5.5 and 5.5, and we're going to cut these in half, and that'll be the height of our card. So next we're going to cut these at 2 3/4. And so that is the height of our cards. Now once we have our 2 3/4 strips, we're going to cut all of these in half going this way. So that will be 8 1/4. I mean 4 1/4. And once we get all of those done, we'll have our cards. Alright, so now I have a stack of these cards, and what I'm going to do is take my paper cutter, and I'm going to use it to draw my lines in pencil. And I'm just going to start by, I don't want a large margin at the top, so I just want to do that. I do want about a 1/2 inch line on my card, so I'll just line that up, and then I just keep every 1/2 inch drawing my lines so that I can keep my handwriting straight and neat. Alright, so I've got my card lined. I have my purple pen because I'm going to be writing the third eye chakra affirmation, and it is, I am in touch with my inner light, and I'm just going to write as nice a handwriting as I can. Alright, so here's what it looks like. And if you want to erase these lines, you can, but I would highly suggest that if you write with like a gel pen, you wait a day before you erase them, or you're going to smear your ink and possibly erase part of that ink too. Alright, so I've been doing about 3 affirmations per chakra, so I have like 3 cards per each chakra, so 3 times 7 is 21 cards. And then when you're done with that, you just turn it over and make the back pretty. And I've just been using these really pretty butterfly stickers, and they're foil, and then they come with a little heart, and just putting that there. I think it's pretty. I may go in later with some pen and just kind of draw a little you know, branchy, spirally kind of design, but for now I'm very happy with these. I've been using them every day. I pull a card and put it on my altar for my affirmation, and they're really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this craft, and if you do, please hit that like button. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. It looks like they've changed it yet again. So if you hit that notification bell, make sure that you hit that you want all notifications, because apparently just hitting the bell wasn't enough for YouTube. Oh, guys, I know, right? Okay, anyway, hit the notification bell and make sure you click that you want all notifications, because I'm trying to come to you guys every day, and I want you to know that I love you guys, and you're very special to me, and I hope you're enjoying this month, going through all the confidence things. So I know that I am enjoying it very much, and I'm feeling more and more confident every day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll be doing how to set boundaries, so that should be awesome, right? Alright, so if you have any questions or comments about this craft, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Blessed be, guys. Bye.